Module 1, Class 2. In Class 1, we learned how to introduce ourselves. Class 1 में हमने अपना परिचय देना सीखा. In Class 2, we learned how to introduce another person. Class 2 में हमने सीखा कि किसी अन्य व्यक्ति का परिचय कैसे कराया जाता है. Let's listen to an example of this. आइए सुनते हैं इसका एक उदाहरण. Who is he?
He is my friend. His name is Raj.
Nice to meet you, Raj. How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
Let's look at another example. आइए एक और उदाहरण देखें. Who is she?
She is my friend. Her name is Rajni.
Nice to meet you, Rajni. How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
In the first example, we saw how a male person was introduced, and in the second example, it was about introducing a female. पहला उदाहरण एक पुरुष व्यक्ति का परिचय देने के बारे में था और दूसरा एक महिला का परिचय कराने के बारे में था. Shall we learn an English song? क्या हम एक अंग्रेजी गाना सीखेंगे?
The blind man sat by the road and he cried. The blind man sat by the road and he cried. The blind man sat by the road and he cried. He cried, oh, show me the way. Show me the truth. Show me the life and the way to go home. Jesus lay on the cross and he cried. Jesus lay on the cross and he cried. Jesus lay on the cross and he cried. He cried, oh, I am the way. I am the truth. I am the life and the way to go home.
Let's look at some questions about the song. आइए गीत के बारे में कुछ प्रश्न देखें. Who is the way? Jesus is the way. Is he the truth? Yes, he is the truth. He is or he are? He is. Are you the blind man? No, I am not the blind man. You are correct. I am or I is? I am. You are or you is? You are. Who are they? They are Jesus and the blind man. They are or they is? They are. Let's look at some of the rules in the examples we just heard. आइए हम उन उदाहरणों में नियमों को देखें जिन्हें हमने अभी सुना है. I and am are good friends. They are usually found together. Just like you and are, he and is, and they and are. Am, is, and are called verbs. I और am अच्छे दोस्त हैं. वे आम तौर पर एक साथ पाए जाते हैं. उसी प्रकार कुछ और शब्द एक साथ पाए जाते हैं. You and are, he and is, and they and are. Am, is, are इन शब्दों को verbs या क्रिया कहा जाता है. Now let's see how to describe people with words known as nouns. अब देखते हैं कि लोगों का वर्णन कैसे किया जाता है nouns का प्रयोग करके. Who is she? She is a doctor. Are you a teacher? Yes, I am a teacher. The words doctor and teacher are called nouns. Doctor और teacher इन शब्दों को संज्ञा या nouns कहते हैं. Is he a young singer? No, he is an old singer. Young and old describe the qualities of a singer. Such words are known as adjectives. Young और old व्यक्ति के गुणों का वर्णन करता है. इन शब्दों को adjectives या विशेषण के रूप में जाना जाता है. Are they healthy? No, they are sick. Just like in the previous example of a young or old singer, healthy and sick are words that describe the qualities of a person. पिछले उदाहरण की तरह हेल्दी और सिक ऐसे शब्द हैं जो किसी व्यक्ति के गुणों का वर्णन करते हैं. Let us look at all the nouns and adjectives we learned today. आइए हम उन सभी nouns और adjectives को सुने जिन्हें हमने आज सीखा है. Adjectives: young, old, healthy, sick. Nouns: doctor, teacher, people, singer. Feel free to write down more examples of adjectives and nouns. आप अपनी पुस्तक में adjectives और nouns के और उदाहरण लिखने का प्रयत्न करें. What did you learn today? आज आपने क्या सीखा? First, introducing your friend or family. आपके दोस्त या परिवार का परिचय कराना. Second, we learned about the relation between certain words. हमने कुछ शब्दों के बीच संबंध के बारे में सीखा. I and am, you and are, he and is, they and are. Third, describing people, nouns and adjectives. लोगों का वर्णन करना, nouns and adjectives. Homework, घर का पाठ. First, practice, अभ्यास करें. Second, read the story of Zacchaeus, Luke 19:1-10. Zacchaeus की कहानी पढ़ें. लूका चैप्टर 19 1 से 10 तक के वाक्य. Prayer. Our Father in heaven, holy is your name. Your kingdom come. Your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread.